is so cool. Yay! Well done!
Is that Commodore Dragon? It's all happening.
It's very bang on time.
What is it? 8:20 and it's 8:22. So see if we can find the best seats.
At the front?
The front is
Oh,
better.
no.
Oh no, it's shaken.
Fail.
Best seats always shaken. Hello everyone. That was a long drive, 2 hours. That's not close. It's about an hour and a half to save, but for some reason we have to stop for like half an hour to wait for another bus. Anyway, we finally made it. We're here. How was it?
It was good. I'm just sick of car trip.
You come back here
11:45. Yeah.
Yep. So we just got off the bus and met with this tour guide, and we got probably two tours together.
Yeah.
And they said the first part is going to be the train street.
Yeah.
So the train arrives at 11:10 and departs at 11:40.
40, I think? Yeah, something like that. Like you get off the bus and it's like this hectic situation, and then
You will be remember 11:45. Okay, come back to your
I think she said that only 50 times.
yeah, we got it.
What time do we have to be back by?
12:45.
She'll lose it.
temple of Thailand. Just remember, okay? 11:45 at the meeting.
What time?
11:45. I'm not gonna forget that.
So are we hanging out just here?
แล้วพี่ไปไหน
Oh, alright. It's all
And
happening.
you take walk there and come back
There you go.
to the temple 11:45.
That's pretty cool.
That's very similar to the one in Hoi An.
Well, I hope it's a bit of a different experience for you.
It is.
11:45, everyone.
11:45.
Back to the temple.
All right, we got it.
11:45. So this is one of the famous train street in Bangkok. Everyone's excited. All the shops on both sides. And
It's pretty cool.
Oh, they must retract these roof things because I think the train's gonna pass. The train's gonna be taller than
Well, it
that.
seems pretty tall. Yeah, they might have to
Just retract
knock
it.
them back. Yeah. There's no way it could pass through there.
All right, we'll walk past. Have a look around. It's all happening. It's a bit
very
more done up
busy.
than the new one.
Is it?
More like organised. Like, in a way. Very tight street. It's just enough room for the train to pass once they retract these. Oh yeah, they're definitely retracting those. And I'm not sure how many times the train passes through here, but it's a bit of a walk. You're looking forward to this train?
I am. I think it'd be pretty cool. First time.
First time.
The bus trip was like 2 hours, 2 or so hours. There was like a little bit of traffic on the way in. So I think that made it like a little bit longer, but it's a long ride. Like the roads are nice, like it's mostly highway, but you do feel it after a little while of sitting in there. So we'll see if it's actually worth the trip and the tour.
Okay, thank you.
Sam's found his Muay Thai boxing gloves.
I got one of these shorts. All I'm missing is the boxing gloves. 1, 2,
Look at him go.
3. Yeah. Let me know if you're happy with that. That's all right.
Thank
Oh,
you.
that's cute.
How cute is that? Little handle.
I didn't get the handle. We paid 1,000 baht per person. It includes pickup from the hotel, and the tour guide, all that kind of stuff. 2 places, which is Train Street and the
Floating market.
floating market, which is after this. and then there was like an hour long-tail boat trip, which is at the floating market,
Yeah.
and then take you back to the hotel. 1,000 per person. Later in the evening, when we were walking downtown, we just wanted to ask the price match out of curiosity.
Yeah.
Someone was offering 600. I reckon they would have done it for 500.
Probably.
So guys, so we are talking about November 2023. If you happen to come across this trip, I reckon 500 per person. That's a reasonable price.
Pretty decent, yeah.
So we got stung.
Again. Oh my god, this is so cool.
Hey! Whoa! Squeezy, squeezy!
This is crazy.
Hey, bye bye.
Oh my god, it's so huge.
This is so close. Oh, they're taking our photos, we're taking theirs. That's cool.
That is so cool.
It's really nice and slow as compared to the one in Hanoi. That was fast.
Oh my goodness. This is like so close.
How big is the train? Oh, it's ending.
Sandy?
There it is. This is the last bit of the train.
That was pretty cool actually. It comes so close.
It's huge, eh?
It's massive.
There you go. Everyone just extending this shirt again.
How funny is that? It just like calms down everything for like literally a minute and then everything just goes back up like normal.
They've done this, I don't know how many times.
How many times? So I just heard one of the store staff say that the train comes 4 times a day. So,
4 times?
Yeah.
Now it's getting into the vibe. Ooh.
It's very Spanish here.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, cool. Well, after a train tour, how was it first of all?
It was good. I mean, there was so much hype. Like everyone was like quickly packing up and like quick, and then it was literally a minute and it was done. But it was a good experience.
Quite a short train, like maybe, I don't know, 10 carriages.
Yeah.
Nothing really big, but hey, it was much nicer than the Hanoi because it was nice and slow. Hanoi ones just go nuts.
Well, you can actually see it and you can take it in and like you can see the people in the train and they're all waving at you. Like it was quite nice.
Right, it's on.
Round 2.
Round 2, the train's coming back again.
That's so cool.
This is exciting. Alright. Yay! I reckon this is a bit better than
the street. That's so cool.
Bye-bye!
Yay! Well done!
Alright then!
We need to go. The traffic is coming. Well done! That was a good experience.
Alright, that
was better?
Yeah? I reckon that.
Awesome.
Yeah. So there's not many people and not pushing shops happening there.
No.
In my room.
That was pretty cool.
That was really
So we actually headed back to where the vans were going to pick us up and stuff. And then I saw the gates coming down again and I was like, oh, do we make a run for it? Like, should we go? I'm so glad we did that. That was so cool.
It was like a minute to walk, but
totally worth it, I think. That was a good experience.
Thank you. Oh, perfect. Alright, so after driving for another 20 minutes from the train street, we have arrived to a second and the last destination of this tour, which is the floating markets. How was your drive?
It was good. Still trying to cool down. It's so hot today.
It is hot. And we got a severe weather warning on the phone as we were driving, which has kind of like become a regular occurrence every day.
Every day we've been caught in the rain, so...
It's around this time, so far it looks good.
Hopefully it holds down until we finish this at least. While we're driving, it doesn't really matter.
Alright, fingers crossed. Anyway, we got a bit of a nicer toilet by the looks of it. You go, just pull it in. There we go.
Thank you.
It's all right. Perfect.
Perfect.
Got the best seats, guys.
Oh, the boat tipping that way. Or is it
Probably.
just me? Yeah, no, the heat. It's not my friend. That's like a fan hat. Okay.
Ice cream?
So good?
I like the jelly.
You
It's
like
nice.
the jelly? Alright.
And the peanut.
I'll need to give it a go.
The mixture of the peanut and the coconut and the jelly is very nice.
When
Oh, that house is cool with the light. Coconut here. Do the same thing.
Oh my goodness, the water's insane.
Look at the yellow one up there. It's a bit different.
That's pretty.
But probably twice as wide.
Oh my goodness.
Is that Commodore Dragon? What was a big lizard?
What the heck was that?
It's like someone's pet.
If that tour guide didn't point it out, I wouldn't have seen it.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. There's not.
Ah, just chilling.
He had something on his head. That's a lizard.
I think a lizard.
Because the tongue, when it came out, I had like two.
Nice, eh? They've got a big house in there. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, we got a lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh, this is getting broader.
Oh, it's getting bigger.
Is he gonna go full speed now? Alright, full forward. They've got Lao Tuk-Tuk floating market, it's called Lao Tuk-Tuk. This is really pretty. This is madness.
Yeah. Wow.
I think, are we the only long tail with a motor here? But these guys got a...
Everyone's like, oh my goodness.
Are we the...
ได้ออกเอาว่าไม่ยอมหยุดเลย
What are you doing? Okay. This is hectic.
Oh my goodness, this is enough.
โอเคไหม
Reckon I might get off the boat. I'm happy to see him. Oh, that is cute. Look at that little bridge. So I think if you just come here by yourself, then just come to the market maybe, and then you can do the just come down here and catch one of these like self or the little manual boats. What do you say? Damnoen something. Oh, missed that market.
Shopping, my shopping! It was a little lemur.
This is full on. Beers, everything. So there you go, guys. If you miss anything on the way here, Don't stress.
Yeah.
It's all here and cheaper. I don't know about those. Getting cooked in the sun. Oh, please don't hit them. Oh, please don't hit them. We're like
Now we've got full-on setups.
it's all cooking. So this is a half-day tour, which almost gonna take a full day. But I think we're doing pretty well with the time. It's
Yeah, we are.
10 to 1, and we're supposed to be back at the hotel 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
And tonight we're going out to the walking street. Again. But tonight's gonna be like a proper, we're actually going out.
Yeah.
Last night we didn't go out as much because A, it rained, and B, we wanted to be goody kids and be up early this morning.
Early and be refreshed.
Be refreshed, that's more
today.
important. Oh, please don't dock. Is it docking?
I think it's stopping. I think we get off for a little bit maybe.
Oh, we might be doing a bit of a walkie here. Perfect. How long have we got now? Driving. Oh, we're done.
Oh, we're done.
Oh,
Ah, thank you.
thank you. Okay, guys. So this is
Right, that was quick.
we docked because we are leaving.